guys, welcome to Top 9 Info. So today I'm going to give you 9 health benefits of eggplant. Point number 1. Aid in digestion. Eggplant, like many other vegetables, are a great source of dietary fiber, a necessary element in any balanced diet. Point number 2. Weight loss. Eggplant contain a minimal amount of fat or cholesterol. They are a very healthy food for people trying to lose weight, battle obesity problems. Point number 3. Prevent cancer. Along with the beneficial effect of fiber, eggplants are also great source of antioxidants, one of the body's best lines of defense against a wide variety of diseases and conditions. Point number 4. Improve bone health. There are a number of benefits to bone health that come from eggplants. Very good for people at higher risk of bone degradation and osteoporosis. Point number 5. Prevents anemia. Eggplants are very rich in copper, essential component of red blood cells just like iron. Point number 6. Improve bone function. Eggplants are a wonderful source of phytonutrients which have long been known as beetroots for cognitive activity and general mental health. Point number 7. Improve heart health. Eggplant known to reduce the presence of bad LDL cholesterol in the body and stimulate the uptake of good HDL cholesterol. Point number 8. Manage diabetes. Due to their higher fiber content and low amount of soluble carbohydrates, eggplants are an ideal food for managing diabetes. Point number 9. Prevent birth defect. Eggplants are a rich source of folic acid, which makes a delicious and useful snack or dietary addition for a pregnant woman.